Ways that you can ensure your affiliate marketing venture is successful. There are so many scams thrown in people's faces that it's very hard to tell which internet job opportunities are legitimate and which are false. In this video, we will explain exactly why affiliate marketing is a legitimate opportunity by discussing some common sense tips and tricks you can use to grow in real business. If you are interested in affiliate marketing, the most basic thing that you can do is to start with choosing a topic that you know well. It's the easiest way for you to build a site. Also, it means that you can provide your own opinions easier on things, and you will enjoy it a lot better if it's something you're interested in. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, make sure that your affiliate company offers their sales statistics in real time. Real-time statistics let you see the number of visitors who have been directed from your site, and how many of those visitors made a purchase from the affiliate company. Convincing visitors to do surveys on your affiliate site is not easy. Be upfront about the topic and the time they need to spend to complete the survey. As an incentive, you may offer coupons to websites related to the topic of the survey, and you can also display links and get paid for the purchases your survey takers make. Always let the user believe that he or she is getting a discount even if they are not. When you list the price, always put another price beside it that you cross out and say is the original price. This will make people believe they are getting a great deal. Don't expect a lifetime commission from affiliate marketing. Still, the rewards are very great. Vendors pay the webmaster a commission for purchases made by the customer steered to them by the webmaster. Normally the purchase must be made within a time frame. And this is why they are so worthwhile. Check the startup costs for the company that you are interested in prior to signing up. The cost to start an affiliate program should be very little, if anything at all. Find out if you can have the startup costs taken out of the earnings that you will make to avoid any out-of-pocket expenses in the beginning. Never fall victim to one of the many scams out there. Understand that there are few real opportunities for you, and one of those opportunities is to become an affiliate for a company whose product sales will earn you money as long as you're the person assisting in making that sale. Student loan.